Hello, beautiful people. Welcome back once again to my channel. Thanks for returning. Family, today on our menu, we have a delicious seafood light soup, and the recipe is so amazing. I hope you like it. Please watch till the end and be inspired. Don't forget to like, share, comment on the video, and I'll appreciate it. Please don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already, and I'm sure you will love it here. And to all my OGs, thanks for holding your girl down. Without further ado, family, let's begin. Into the blender, I'm adding my ginger, garlic, onions, and my scotch bonnet pepper. Next, we've got anise seed and coriander seed, fresh basil, and I've just washed both the coriander seeds and anise seeds, and I'm adding them to the rest of the aromatics. Next, I'm going to add my juicy Italian sweet chili. I'm going to cut them into pieces and I'll add them to the rest of the aromatics in the blender. And family, we will blend them until they are all nice and smooth. Yeah. Please don't forget to like, share, comment on the video, and I will appreciate it. Okay. Once we are done blending, I'm getting my crab and prawns ready. Okay. And here they are. They are nicely clean, and I'm adding fish seasoning, shrimp tablet, pink salt, tomato paste to introduce more flavor and color to my soup. And now my blended aromatics. Ooh, you're going to add a little bit of water to start the steaming process here. But first, let's give it a stir, 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 and mix everything together nicely. Yeah, let's distribute all the seasonings and tomato paste evenly, just like this. And then we leave it to steam for about 5 minutes. All right. Now let's add our fresh tomatoes and onion. From the look of things, I need to stir, stir, stir so that it doesn't burn, okay? So do this gently, making sure it doesn't splash on yourself or in your face. That would be dangerous, okay? Now cover it up, and as it's steaming, let's go ahead and cook our garden eggs, carrots, and butter beans, okay? Whilst they are cooking, let's go ahead and season our tilapia with some of the aromatics I just blended, okay? And make sure all the parts of the tilapia are covered in the seasonings or aromatics, okay? Beautiful, just like so. Let's leave them to marinate until they are needed, all right? Clearly, family, the gill covers were not removed. So take note of that. You can remove yours when making your soup, all right? And now let's remove the tomatoes and onions and blend them because they are ready. They are so tender to be blended. Yeah, this smells so beautiful. Family, don't just watch the video but give it a try. So now I'm adding my tilapia. Ooh, and very soon the soup will be done. So keep watching and go nowhere, okay? It's so simple and quick to make. Next, we are adding our blended tomatoes and onions to the steaming process. And this time around, I'm straining it, okay? But you don't need to strain it if you're able to blend them so smoothly without any bits in them, all right? And that is what I do all the time. I'm not throwing the pulp away. I'll add it to my garden eggs and carrots when they are ready to be blended. Yeah, this is just in time. They are also ready to be blended. Please don't forget to like, share, comment on the video, and your girl will appreciate it. Please share, share, share to reach more people, okay? Whilst it's blending, let's check on our soup. And ooh, the flavor is so good. Wow, beautiful. We are back to add our blended garden eggs and carrots to our soup base. Remember, we are still in the steaming process, and for that matter, we do not need too much water at this stage. All we need to do is to just add a little bit of water to help with the straining process, and that's it. After that, let's allow the tilapia to really absorb the flavors of the aromatics for about 3 to 5 minutes so that they will taste great in the end. I hope it's clear here. Not only the fish will taste great, the soup will also come out beautiful and it will be a banger. You can now discard the pulp or better still blend and add it to the soup. Okay, so now let's stir, making sure it's not burning and also all the seasonings in the soup base are well distributed and combined, just like this. And now let's cover it up for the steaming process to continue. Ooh, so beautiful. 5 minutes later, we are back and it's time to add water to our desired level. But before that, let's check our salt content. If it's not enough, make sure to add salt at this stage like I'm doing and then add your water to your desired level, okay? At this point, the amount of water you add will determine how light or thick your soup will be. Yeah, after that, you can stir again, making sure the soup is not burning and the salt is well dissolved. Also, after that, let the soup then cook for about 25 minutes to perfection. Family, we've taken our time to build our flavor up to this point, and you can just imagine how the end results will be. It's going to be too good. Please don't forget to give your girl a big thumbs up if you like the recipe, and don't forget to share and comment as well. If it's your first time here, you are warmly welcome, and I hope you'll be inspired enough after watching the video till the end to join this amazing family. All right. And to all my OGs, I appreciate you all. Thanks for the love and support and for holding your girl down up to this point. God richly bless you. The soup is almost ready, and I'm going ahead to add some finishing touches. And I've got onions, got bonnet pepper, carrots. You can also add any veggie of your choice. You can add aubergine, basil to bring a fresh aroma to complete your soup beautifully. Or you can add broccoli, cucumber, and so on and so forth. 25 minutes later, the soup has really gone down to my desired level and it's about to go down, family, in no time, just like that. Our simple and delicious seafood light soup is ready and about to be served. I love this recipe and I hope you do too. Wow, this soup is well prepared. Everything is so on point. The salt content is checked. Aroma so checked. The flavor is so super amazing. And I love everything about this soup. Family, don't just watch the video, but give this a try and thank me later. Ta-da! Food is ready. Fufu all the way. You can as well pair this soup with your rice, yam, kenke, banku, eba, and so on and so forth. This is so amazing. You'll love it. Yeah? For more of my videos, please follow me on Instagram, like my Facebook page, follow me as well on Facebook, and subscribe to my YouTube channel for us to build this amazing family together. Also, follow me on TikTok for more updates. Thank you all for watching till this point. See you all again in my next video. Until then, stay blessed, stay safe, be good, take care, enjoy. Mwah, kiss. Bye, y'all.